Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Want to Watch. Welcome back to the channel. Today we got something pretty special, all the way from Australia. So I say we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well, me and David from DTP Projects did a little bit of Vise swap. And I sent him a little stin and he sent me, well, not only did he send me a vise, but he also sent me some combination wrenches. These are Sid Chrome. This is 7/16, ½ inch, and 3/8. That is awesome. These things will clean up nice and go on my wall. I'm gonna start a little section of international tools, so these are the first ones to go on the wall. Thanks, David. Appreciate it, brother. And then he sent me this awesome little 3-inch Dawn. To be honest with you, I don't think I've seen a Dawn vise restored here in the States, so I might be the first one. So, David, I truly appreciate it, man. I think I got the better deal here, so I'll have to find something to send you in the future to make up for it. So, that is awesome. Well, I say without any further ado, we clean these couple of wrenches up real quick, and we start our restoration on the little red Dawn. So let's go. So let's start on this little guy. Well, let me spin this around so you guys get a view of me taking it apart. I've never taken a Dawn apart, for one, because, well, I've never seen one here in the States. I'm sure it's like any other vise, right? Other than it being not from here. Alright, so this kind of looks like, well, I don't know if that's going to show up in there or not. It's kind of dark. But looks like there's a couple of washers, a spring, and a pin of sorts. I don't know if it's a cotter pin or, but we'll try and get that out right quick. Let's see. I don't know what it's going to take to get this out of here. Like I said, I've never seen one like this. I know Jim on Hand Tool Restoration, he does a lot of like record vices and stuff of that nature, and it kind of looks like these are similar. Dude, I am excited about this. I really am. There's the pin. I'm going to try and keep these all in order here so I don't forget how these went on there. Oh, what the shit. Alright, so it's basically sandwiched in there. So it's washer, spring, washer, pin, washer, spring, washer, pin. So when I play this back, oh, and then there's a washer right up where the Acme screw goes through the jaw. So sweet. All right. Handle definitely has a whammo in it. We're going to take care of that right now. I want to try and straighten this out before I start cleaning. So let's get this spun around so you can see what's going on. Oh yeah, there we go. I think that's much straighter. It's funny, that's a fairly soft metal. I didn't even really have to put the whammo on there. You know what I mean? A little high spot right there. There we go. Perfect. Nice. Spin you back around this way. If you guys think I'm going a little too fast, I apologize. I'm just very, very excited about this project. So for a little jaw, it's pretty substantial. It is really substantial. That's quite cool. I want to try and get the jaw plates off. Oh, come on, baby. Come on, baby. I can get it to spin a little bit. How about this one? Oh, yeah. That one's coming out. This one's going to prove to be a little bit difficult. Oh, that one came out. Are they different sizes? No. Nice. That's off. Oh, Nikes. I didn't see how that went in there, guys. Did y'all? I didn't even know that was a thing. I guess it goes in that way. Damn, it just fell out. Yeah, I didn't get to see. I didn't get to see how the nut went in there. Oh well, I guess we'll figure it out, right? Let me give this a little shot of Blaster. Try and creeping in around there. Can you guys still see that? Yeah, I don't know if it's the screw or if it's held up by the jaw, like the jaw's stopping it from. Well, let's hope this works. Yep. The jaw plate was holding it. There's a little burr on the edge of it, so. Nice, right? All right. So that took a little longer than I thought it was going to, but we got 90% of the old paint off, and we're gonna take it to the wire wheel. So I say we get reset up for that. Let's go. Whew. That was quite a bit of wire wheeling. That came out pretty damn good. I am quite happy with that, and that's just wire wheeling. So you know what I'm going to wind up doing. I'm going to throw a file on top of this. I'm going to throw a file on top of the jaws, and same with this side. So I guess that's what we're going to do. I really don't know what I can do with that. I'd have to remove so much material to get that out of there. I don't think I want to go that route. I mean, you can physically feel the gouge in it, you know? So you only have X amount of material here, and it's pretty significant. It's kind of weird. It's like it's two-piece put together. So there's a seam line that runs the whole way down it. On the inside you can see that. Hopefully you can. It's pinched together right here. I don't see a tack weld. It just looks like it's, well, I guess there would be a tack weld like right here and right here. It's quite cool, actually. Working on something from another continent, you know? Pretty cool. I like it a lot. I'm gonna tape off what I don't want painted, and then we are gonna get to throwing some primer on this. Just enough to get good contact coverage when I throw my color on, that's all. guys are saying. You just took the red paint off to put red paint on. Yep. Pretty much. All right. That gets put in there. So like this out of the way. Put these jaws on first. Well, I wonder if it should go that way or the other way. Yeah, that way. Just looks a little bit better. No pliers required. All right. It's a little tight. I think because I got the spring in wrong or something, but you know what? I think that'll be cool. Put a little bit of oil up on it. A little tiny dribble there. That'll work just nice. Yeah. Sweet. Put a little drizzle going down there, and we'll ram it home. Cute little sucker. Alright, we're going to get our area here cleaned up a little bit. Then we're going to highlight some embellishments. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with this one. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. This is the 3-inch Dawn that David from DTP Project sent me, all the way from Sydney, Australia. So I'm pretty stoked to have it. This is a really cool little vise, and I am honored. Thanks, brother. If you guys would, please go and check out David's channel at DTP Projects. You guys will not be disappointed at all. Tell him George sent you, alright? Like always guys, stay safe, be safe. See you next week with another. Bye.